Communicating with spirits is not something that everybody will seek out, but for those of you out there who are already having entity awareness signs, and you know it, but you don't want to know it, you're using all these different kind of coping mechanisms to deal with it or to try to turn it off, newsflash, it's not going to go away. But you can learn really practical tools that will allow you to handle, transform, and create consciousness in this area. And it's amazing when you facilitate consciousness for a being that is stuck, for example. You get to have the expansion of their possibilities as well as your own.